There we go, we have the all the shrink wrap off now. If you can see, it's the nice all black colour. So we'll just start taking, get the grass box off. Nice and simple, lift that one off. Put it down there for a minute. Rescue a piece of plastic floating away. There we have the front. Headlights. Looking good. Steering wheel cover. Seat cover. All the documents and everything, instructions underneath there. Some more paperwork underneath the battery. Take that out. Put the seat back. And there she is. Looking good. So we'll go and get some fuel. Put some fuel in her.